Seasonality refers to predictable changes that occur over a one-year period in a business based on the seasons, including calendar or commercial seasons. One example of a seasonal measure is retail sales, which typically sees higher spending during the fourth quarter of the calendar year. For example, Amazon's fourth quarter revenues are approximately 33% higher than an average quarter. This is because of a spike in sales during Christmas. From a marketing standpoint, managers must determine the presence and magnitude of seasonality because it helps a company determine certain business decisions such as advertising, promotions, inventories, staffing, and investments. In this video, I will show you how to determine if La Petite's products exhibit seasonality. The La Petite Bakery data is provided in the book Marketing Analytics, written by Wayne Winston. The dataset contains daily sales of cakes, pies, cookies, smoothies, and coffee from 2013 to 2015. Place your cursor anywhere in the data cells. From the Insert tab, select PivotTable. Select the data and click OK. The pivot table field list will appear. Drag Date field to the row box and each product to the Values box. Double-click each product to change the entries in the Values box to average sales for each product. As you first see, the pivot table presents sales for every day. We actually want to present sales by month. Put your cursor on any date, right-click, and choose Group, then choose Months from the dialog box. Now we have the sales data presented by month. Next, let's draw sales curves, because a picture is worth 1,000 words. Place your cursor anywhere in the pivot table, click Insert, then select Pivot Chart. You can choose any of Excel's chart options to summarize the data. Let's select the line option, then click OK. The charts clearly show that smoothie sales spike upward in the summer from April to August, but the sales of other products seem to exhibit little seasonality. What are the implications of this finding? To match the increased demand for smoothies from April to August, the bakery may want to guarantee the availability and delivery of ingredients needed for making smoothies, trim advertising and promotion expenditures, and use the money to hire extra workers during these months. Using how-to examples, my channel aims to teach you business analytics, including concepts, methodologies, and tools. If you are interested to learn how to use analytics to solve real business issues, please subscribe to my channel for weekly updates.